Hello everyone, this video is for the aspiring applicants of 51 Talk. So, marami kasi yung nagtatanong sa akin, saan ba makikita yung referral link ko? Ako teach, hindi maklik yung referral link mo. Hindi ko makita doon sa profile bio. Hindi siya nagpa-function. Ganon yung kanilang mga usually na tinatanong sa akin. So, here it is. I have my QR code here. So, magagamit nyo itong QR code na ito if you are going to apply using your mobile phone. Yes, pwede naman talagang mag-apply kayo via mobile phone po. So, scan this one and then as you scan this, mayroon kayong makikitang ganito. So, fill up kayo agad. Do not click anymore the sign in or sign up. Okay? As you see this fill up form, you fill in your first name, your surname, or email address. Make sure na hindi kayo magkamali sa email address ninyo kasi hindi kayo makaka-receive ng mga interview invitation. And then, mobile number, and then the password. After you fill it up, click on Teach Online in 30 days. Okay? Kasi usually yung nagchat-chat sa akin, I give them my link. After that is, mayroon akong mga instruction na dapat talaga ninyong basahing mabuti. Kasi if hindi siya na-follow ng mabuti, then you will no longer be under my referral. Then of course, my priority to guide are those my referrals kasi limited talaga yung time ko. After you fill up, mayroon na kayong makikita na naman another fill up form in which you're going to enter some of your basic information. And then sa dulo ng mga fill up form, may makikita kayong set an interview schedule. Well, mostly ngayon ay punong-puno yung mga screeners natin. So, wala tayong makitang available. Pero kung mayroong available, mas mabuti. You can already plot your schedule for your initial interview. Kung wala naman, do not enter interview room kasi ito yung nangyayari sa mga applicants ngayon. Yes, they passed the initial interview, pero doon sa technical check, although complete sila, hindi sila makapag-proceed. Yun yung usually na nare-report sa akin. Doon, stuck na sila sa kanilang application. So, to avoid that one, I would suggest talaga na human interviewer. Now, paano tayo magkaroon ng schedule sa interview? You're just going to wait for 24 hours or more for an email coming from 51 Talk inviting you for the initial interview. So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon kasi I actually have a friend who is a screener yet on leave naman po siya. So, temporarily, yun muna yung process natin. So, you have to select your interview schedule. If wala, wait for 24 hours. If wala pa rin na-receive, I will do something to email referral program ng 51 Talk. Okay? I will also be sending you materials na makakatulong sa inyo sa inyong initial interview. Of course, I could guide you the best that I can. Yes, kasi hindi naman talaga ako always available. I have my daytime job. And then starting 6 o'clock in the evening, I have my FT or free trial classes. So, I don't have really the luxury of time to assist those who are not my referral. Limited talaga yung time ko. Ngayon, kung mayroon kayong mga tanong, just message me down below and I will really try to find time to answer your queries. And kung gusto nyo naman talaga nung link, you can find that one in my YouTube videos. Dun sa comment section at saka sa description box, you can use those links para makapasok sa referral link ko. Tapos, don't forget to message me. So, after this video, you will see instructions na dapat nyong pakatandaan if you're going to use my referral link. Okay? As said on my previous videos, mahirap talaga mag-apply dito sa 51 Talk kung wala po kayong guide. So, hopefully, if gusto nyong magpa-guide sa akin, okay na okay. Pero if not naman, okay naman rin kasi I have my set of videos in YouTube which you can also follow. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye! God bless!